Sorkar kapin khalateng ke ongdung arat kapatepek. Menteron arong along sen gravel atowar atangka kapangling. Thongnok Bay College Principal Kimi Pen, Vice Principal Kimi Atuma Phan Kedeng. Karbi Anglong Live Prime Time Berta Kelang Arad Ona Phan Nilhin Pen Cardon Pajirklo Cardon. Nilimen Sami Julie Bepi non Arjik Tha Birtang Ton Pen. Sorkara Teng Pulote Arta Ningkan Kepen Akijum Lapen Arta Ningkan Trokebra Pho Abaratum Anke Hempen Hong Barong Lipusi Pin Khatlo. Bonta Ki Ongdum Aradatum Ki Kapatepek Donatum Si Ki Ong. Pirthe adangpi along kapaling langcho corona avur benajok sominda radangpi prek jamader along lag araratum apran ke damnang dotanglo lapen bangso ki soki unsetami lag araratum aphan untanglo corona avur kapangdang de jia phan pura bharat sarkar hin penta sonsuri abidi dengponlo bonta labangso ake sokangdang bom lapen munirapran ke dambom langajok kini aru ni phai ingkora ke thom arni anke det pi kangkir cheklo joni ke pleng jia phan ke nini betlo Sorkar hin pen corona ke so kapangdang de jia phan ke ongdung arona tang ki thik pondo laso angbong kinang sot nai laki muni he janang bong aja kachibi enokana dep chiku vernangji lapen kaikita iri ikeng chepang thir vernangji pupen danglo arta ningkan kepen akijum lapen arta ningkan trokebra phopen abat arta tumki hempen hong barlong lipusi sodak pen pin khaponlo Arta ningkan kepen arta ningkan trokebra pho arta tumaphan hempen hong barlong li pu sarkar kapin khatponangko athi lake corona ke soki un prapik lapen ki unnote kapajok dunjia phan chetorok potsi pin khatponangkok lo Bonta ilitum Karbi Anglong District di Puarong Supialong ke penangan araratum sarkar kapin khat ateng patepeksi osomar arta ningkan kepen akijum lapen arlengkisar arta ningkan trokebra pho pen abaratum ta hithia jo kijujam Thekdunlong. Lasi bangso puthak Arpukido Jasemen District Administration lapen Law and Order atum RDP dunpen kelangchari padoduna sonte mesenji. Athe corona ke so kivirji kali asamalong rialongta aphiong bathuong long. Laso ang thek lake non hejong porphai phora minute kebapor Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma kapangdak ponthu atengke Morigaon pen bangpli Nolbari pen banghini Nogam Golaghat Hojai lapen Jorhat district alongta inudnud ke longdu thuloglo nonamar Assam along pangrum pet pen bang pharo ke thomra inkora sirkep abang phuatuma phan untanglo News report Rosan Hanse Karbi Anglong Live Menteron pen kiling arong adak kacheleng atowar sen gravel thok thepin pensi atangka panglem chokposi raratum akoiwan Bokajan Development Block Kaparlo mate Bokajan MLA constituency angkang Menteron towar krong thom kachetok atowar pen kiling arong adakan kilometer isira ebeng atowar sen gravel ke thokjia phanpura kedamtang surihinira kretroxi pen krener cap dihinaning kana pharman MLA scheme pen sika lakhinira suri phoge batakka panong ponlo Bonta bangso atowar along sen gravel thokthepin pensi block along ajhak asai khia tumpen contractor atum chelangsi atangka abangke panglim choklupusi raratum akoiwang Arnivanga cheleng araratum kethana tengke bangso atowar along sen gravel imuta theklongle bonta tarpang thek ketar hama bangke manghudun memi Lasi majok noy lapuson ke claim ke chokche abang puaphan ritar lipsi ingsainang jipusi raratum ke hangpaso Bokajan pen ananterang Karbi Anglong Live. Tangtenon malam so dihina mo aphan bir tang ton manik sina. MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelan, Dipu Manja Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, Karbi Anglong, where you will get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker, and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items. Protect your pigs from African swine fever. African swine fever is a viral disease of both domestic and wild pigs, which spreads quickly and kills most of the infected pigs. Humans are not affected by African swine fever. Sign and symptom: high fever, loss of appetite, depression, weakness, red, blotchy skin or skin lesions, vomiting, diarrhea, coughing or difficulty breathing, abortion, and sudden death. Prevention: no treatment and vaccine for African swine fever. Stop entry of visitors. Don't visit infected areas. Keep the pigs in enclosure. Separate the sick animals. Do not leave food in areas accessible to wild pigs. Dead animals should be buried scientifically. Use bleaching powder about 10 to 15 gram or liter for regular cleaning. Use potash for food bath and 0.01% solution, 1 gram or 10 liter for spray inside sty. Keep in constant touch with nearest veterinary doctor. For more information, contact District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Office, Karbi Anglong Dipu at 8790-536892 or 700-280-3658. Dihino mo bhibuthot birtalong dam thulona. Dogmoka Thongnobe College along Principal Akimi, Dr. Dhananjay Narjari Pen, Vice Principal Akimi, Professor Babu Teronatuma Phan, Thongnobe College, Karbi Student Coordination Klembari Matum, Karcho Asai Padopon. Non-Hejong Dogmoga Thongnobe College along Principal Arpukimi Kideng, Dr. Dhananjay Narjari Pen, Vice Principal Akimi, Professor Babu Teronatuma Phan, Arun Niphai Inkorake Thom Arni, Ataba Pormalom, Thongnobe College along Karbi Student Coordination Klembare Matum, Patir Piponsi, Karcho Asai Padopon. Bangso Karcho Asai along Karbi Students Coordination Committee Amai Phubarim, Prodip Ingti, Kongchun Bang Barim, Ramsing Teron, Kongchun Bang Barim, Agustin Terang, Rap Kongchun Bang Barim, Dhoni Togbilapen, Penaan Abarimatum Anparta, Union Body Abarimatumta, Chetong Dunsi, Principal Kimi, Dr. Dhananjay Narjari Pen, Vice Principal, Professor Babu Teronatuma Phan, Ning Kang Sampen, Kideng Padoponsi, Karcho Asai, Dingpon Lupusi, Karbi Students Coordination, Klembang Phubarimatumpen, Pherangkia Phan Pachini. Dogmuka Pen Semsinginti, Karbi Anglong Live. Dogmoka Sildharampur along ihum Hormu Karthang, Tata Mobile Agari, Thengpiarong along, Ketongdam Derajok, Katebarabang, Aprandam Juilo. Dogmoka Police Station Kaparlo, Sildharampur, Jengrohang Arong Chingden, NH36 Atowar along, ihum Hormu Karthang, AS02BC, 5087, Tata Mobile Agari, Thengpiarong along, Ketongdam Derajok, Katebarabang Phu, Abdul Hok Pen, Sanjeev Biswasatum, Ahiring Tangrak Pen, Areng Solo. Alang litumbang hini apanta sekelang aphan kipon bomahut katebarabang Abdul Hok tobare bengamatsi arong chiboy juilo. Apran kitam joyabang phu ahimke Nogam Goroi Maria Sorpusi pangthe. Dogmokapen semsingingti Karbi Anglong Live. Pini prantama berta ke lapon si kantonik lo dome thakme kurang thu.